Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. Today, we're stepping away from construction updates and focusing on a much bigger question, one that goes beyond concrete and steel. With ultra-modern stadiums redefining football across Europe, a legendary venue is preparing its return, Spotify Camp Nou. But the real question is simple. Can Camp Nou become Europe's best stadium again? Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and updates from MegaVerse Builds. For decades, Camp Nou was more than just a football ground. It was a symbol of scale, identity, and history. As Europe's largest stadium, it hosted unforgettable nights and defined what football spectacle looked like for generations. But football has evolved, and the expectations placed on stadiums have evolved with it. Today, a stadium is no longer judged only by what happens on the pitch. Atmosphere, technology, comfort, and financial sustainability now define greatness. That's why Camp Nou must be compared with the best modern venues in Europe. Even after its transformation, Camp Nou will remain Europe's largest football stadium, with a capacity approaching 105,000. No other club stadium matches that scale. The Santiago Bernabéu sits well below that figure. Tottenham Stadium is highly advanced, but significantly smaller. And Wembley, while massive, is not a club-owned ground. The redesigned stadium aims to change that experience. Improved roof coverage, better seating angles, and enhanced acoustics are designed to keep noise inside the bowl. If Camp Nou's design performs as intended, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds so you never miss any of our daily updates. The Bernabéu leads in spectacle with its 360-degree screen and retractable pitch. The best stadiums today are not limited to match days. They operate as year-round destinations. The new Camp Nou is designed to reshape Barcelona's financial future, with expanded VIP areas, upgraded hospitality, and space for major non-football events. With one of the largest fan bases in world sport, Barcelona has the potential to turn Camp Nou into Europe's most powerful stadium from a revenue perspective. That financial strength could secure the club's long-term competitiveness. So, can Camp Nou become Europe's best stadium again? The answer is yes, but only under the right conditions. The atmosphere must deliver, technology must work seamlessly, the stadium must remain active beyond match days, and Barcelona must protect what made Camp Nou legendary. That's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoy exploring iconic stadiums, like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. We'll continue breaking down the world's greatest venues, not just as structures, but as experiences.